In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deferit as a payment provider, e-commerce. We'll go from understanding what it is to integrating it in your store to promoting it so customers actually use it. First, get clear on what Deferit does. It's a payment option that lets shoppers spread the cost of a purchase over time while you still get paid out by the provider. Think of it as a checkout choice that reduces upfront friction, lifts conversion, and can increase average order value. The risk assessment and payment scheduling sit with the provider, so your focus stays on getting orders out the door. Before you dive in, confirm your business is eligible. Look at supported countries and currencies, permitted product categories, merchant fees, and settlement timelines. Make sure your store complies with standard policies such as clear refund terms, a privacy policy, and secure checkout. If you sell restricted items, check the prohibited list so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, create a business account on the provider's site and complete onboarding. You'll be asked for basic company information and the bank account where payouts will land. Submit any required documents for verification, review the merchant agreement, and wait for approval. Once approved, you'll be able to access your merchant dashboard. Next, integrate Deferit into your e-commerce platform. Many platforms offer an official app or plugin, otherwise you can connect via API with developer help. Enable test mode to run a few end-to-end transactions, confirm taxes and shipping are calculated correctly, and check that orders and payment statuses synchronize back to your store. Add the payment option at checkout and, if supported, on product pages with clear cost per installment messaging. Here's what your customers will experience. At checkout, they choose Deferit, complete a quick sign-in or verification, review their payment schedule, and accept the terms. You'll see the order authorized in your dashboard and can proceed to fulfillment as you normally would. On the back end, you get paid out according to your settlement schedule, typically minus a processing fee. Use the dashboard to track orders, view payouts, and issue refunds. Always trigger refunds through the provider so the customer's plan adjusts correctly, and document partial versus full refund rules in your store policy. Finally, promote the option. Add badges on your homepage, product pages, cart, and checkout. Update your FAQs, announce it in email and social posts, and train support to answer basic questions. Clear messaging drives adoption. That's the process for using Deferit as a payment provider in your e-commerce store. Thanks for watching.